In this video, we'll learn about spherical mirrors. Actually, spherical mirrors are a category of curved mirrors. So when you're taking mirrors flow chart, mirrors are categorized into two types. One is a plane mirror and one is a curved mirror. Curved mirrors are again categorized into three types: cylindrical, spherical and parabolic. For now, according to your 10th standard syllabus, we'll be learning only about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors, mirrors that form the part of a sphere are called spherical mirrors, and they are categorized into two types. One is concave and the other one is convex. Concave means if the reflecting surface is inward, then we call that as a concave mirror, whereas for convex, if the reflecting surface is outward, then we call that as a convex mirror. Now we'll see what is the main differences between concave and convex mirror. See, concave mirror, when light falls, I'm just taking two rays. When light falls on the reflecting surface, they get converged at a point. Converging at a point means meet at the same point after reflection. So for here, in the next video, you will be learning about why these parallel rays are only converging here. I'll explain that later. For now, just remember, concave mirror, you'll always have your rays converging at a point. That's why it is called a converging mirror. Whereas here, convex, when light rays fall onto a convex mirror, for convenience, I'm just taking two rays, okay? After reflection, they appear to meet from a point and get diverged. So that's why these are called diverging mirror. Converging mirror means after reflection the rays will meet at a point, whereas diverging means they appear to travel in different directions. So this is the basic difference of concave mirror and convex mirror. In concave mirror, all the light rays will focus in front. So this is reflecting surface now. The focus point of all the rays will be in front of it. Whereas for convex, it will be, so this is your reflecting surface, it will be behind, no? It is appearing to coming from this point, right? So this point is behind. So here focus will be in front of the mirror, whereas here focus will be behind the mirror. In concave mirror, the images will be real images. Depending on the positions, they may be virtual images. So we'll see these two cases in the next video. Whereas for convex mirror, the kind of images, whatever the position it might be, it will always be virtual images. So I'll teach you what is the difference between real and virtual images. For now, just remember, concave lens will form real images. The most of the cases, depending on the position the image, it can be changed to virtual. Whereas for convex, it is always virtual. And here, the kind of images that are formed by concave mirror is inverted images. Inverted upside down, whereas here they are all erect. So just remember, when you see the word virtual, then the image is always erect. Erect like as usual, whereas for real, the word will come in pair as inverted. If the image formed here is virtual, then you will have erect image. Okay. So here, depending on the position, the size of the image may be either enlarged, same as size, or diminished. Whereas here, it is always diminished, but depending on the position, sometimes it is highly diminished, sometimes it's normal, like diminished in a smaller extent. Okay. So here, let me just teach you a trick on how to remember concave and convex lens, because sometimes it's hard to remember. Okay. So for a simple logic is your hand. When you take your hand, your palm represents your concave mirror, whereas the back side of your hand will show you convex mirror. So front palm is your concave, back side is your convex, or you can remember as concave plus convex. A plus X. A will write like this, will start like this only, So the inside part is concave, Whereas x you'll start like this only, no? Right? So x you'll start, so this part is your convex. So concave plus convex. The inside part is concave and the outside part is convex. So this is all about spherical mirrors, a simple outline on what is the convex and concave mirrors, the basic differences, and the simple way to remember them. If you like my, if you have any doubts, just comment the topics you want to learn and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.